fuck's sake, let's get out of here. Just fucking get off this fucking bit of road. It's just trash. No, don't you be a prick. Don't. What are you trying to do, prick? Prick! Jesus Christ, you prick. Yeah, wave him through, you fucking bitch. Went round. Sitting here, do you understand now? Fucking assholes.
Hard to get like a good form on.
Yeah. Come on, Han. Come on, Han. Come on, Han. Work it out, fuckwit. Actually, take out the middle and just chop up the outside fleshy bit, but yeah. Come on, Ranger. Come on, Ranger. Come on, Ranger.
People today.
This dickhead. Oh, good job.
A blower fan replaced because it was getting worse and worse, the sound it was making.
Oh, yeah. Hey, fucker!
Oh my god.
Oh, you asshole! Oh, you mongrel!
Probably get a good view of that as well, because it was behind.
You fuck knuckle.
Yeah. Duck up to hours later. Dickhead.
Gosh, what a silly person.
I think he's wearing thongs too.
Huh.
And if you just made...
Oh, you fucking donkey! You fucking donkey bitch! Thank you. Genius place to
I was
stop
about to say,
cat.
the fuck are they stopped there?
Get over the line a little bit, did you, dickhead?
What?
That guy, his whole car linked over the line. And he's turned.
I said, yeah, this time 12 months ago. It was all starting, eh? It was all just started. Whoa! Dickhead.
That's actually not left. Oh wow, that's...
I took a photo of it.
You deleted it?
No. Deleted one of them.
Oh shit, I've gone the wrong way.
Oh no. Oops, sorry.
Oops, gone the wrong way, come on. This, I can turn the wrong way. That's my bad.
Sorry.
I'm gonna turn this way. Fuck it.
Oh my god. Oh, whoopsie.
I went the wrong way.
You did.
My fault. Bye.